Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the demand schedule and demand curve. Okay. As in previous video we talk about the meaning of demand. So what is demand? Demand is the quantity of any commodity that a consumer is willing and able to purchase at the different possible prices of the commodity. Okay. It means that the consumer is ready and willing to purchase, willing है, ready है and able. Able means he have the money to purchase the goods. कि जितने की वो goods है उतना उसके पास money है खरीदने के लिए at the different possible price in a given period of time. कि जो commodity के different prices है उस पे जो consumer है he is willing, वो खरीदना चाहता है and able भी है means he is having that much money to purchase the good, so that is called demand. Okay, so in this video we will talk about the demand schedule and demand curve. Okay, so what is demand schedule? Demand schedule is mainly a table that shows the relationship between price and quantity demanded. So demand schedule is a table showing different quantities of a commodity to be purchased at different price of the commodity. Okay, demand schedule is a table that showing different quantity of a commodity to be purchased at different prices of that commodity. किसी commodity की different units को purchase किया जाता है उसकी different prices पे, so that is called demand schedule. Okay, so in this demand schedule we have two type of demand schedule. One is individual demand schedule, and the second is market demand schedule. Okay, market demand schedule, market demand schedule. So individual demand schedule and market demand schedule, we will discuss this separately with the diagram. Okay, so individual demand schedule means it is a table that shows the quantity purchased by individual or a consumer at the different possible prices of the commodity. कि एक individual consumer है जो कि commodity को purchase करता है different quantities of the commodity at a different possible prices. So that shows the individual schedule. Okay, so individual schedule is, we can say, table showing different quantity of a consumer at the different possible price of the commodity. Okay, so here you can see this is individual demand schedule. Here we are given PX. What is the meaning of PX? PX means price of the commodity. Okay, price of the commodity. P means price, X means price of commodity X. Okay, so PX is the price of commodity X. So here price we have given 1, 2, 3, 4. Now QX is the quantity of commodity X. Quantity of commodity X. Okay, so this is given 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what this individual schedule shows, it shows that when price is 1 per unit, then quantity purchased by a consumer is 4 unit. Okay, then price increase, it becomes from 1 to 2, then the quantity purchased by the consumer is 3. Then the price increase from 2 to 3, then the quantity purchased by the consumer is 2. So what it shows, what it's showing, that price increase from 3 to 4, then consumer is purchasing 1 unit of the commodity. So it shows that the price of the commodity is increasing, then the consumer is reducing the units of the commodity. Okay, जैसे प्राइस इंक्रीज होता है तो कंज्यूमर क्या करता है कि जो कॉमोडिटी है उसकी जो क्वांटिटी है उनको रिड्यूस कर देता है, कम कर देता है. इट मीन्स वी कैन से that the table shows the negative relation between price and quantity purchased by the consumer. Okay, so what it shows the negative relation between price Px, price of the commodity X, and Qx. It means quantity of the commodity X. Okay, so there is negative relation between price of the commodity and quantity purchased by the consumer. So this table shows the negative relation. Okay, so on the basis of this table, we will draw the individual demand curve. Okay, so what is demand curve? Firstly, we will know that what is demand curve. So demand curve is nothing, it is the diagrammatic presentation of this table. इस टेबल की जो diagrammatic presentation है, that is called demand curve. Okay, so we will draw the demand curve. Firstly, we will draw individual demand curve because we have discussed the individual demand schedule. Okay, so on o-axis we will show the quantity of the commodity. Okay, quantity of the commodity, and on y-axis we will show the price of the commodity. Okay, price of commodity X we can say, and on o-axis we will show the quantity of commodity X. Okay, so when price is 1 unit, then the consumer purchase 4 units. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that when price is 4, then consumer is taking 1 quantity of the commodity. Price in reduced 3, price is 3, he is purchasing 2. Price is 2, 3, and price is 1, consumer is taking 4. Okay, so joining all these points, we can draw our demand curve. Okay, so this is our DD. This is our DD. You can also draw this freehand. Okay, no need to join the points similar. We can draw. This is for your understanding, but mainly you have to draw in exam only freehand. Okay, demand curve should be drawn freehand like this. You can draw. As on o-axis we are showing quantity. Okay, quantity. Here we are showing price on y-axis. So this is our DD. This is our demand curve. So what it shows, it is downward sloping, and it also shows the negative relation between price and quantity demanded. Okay, it's showing the negative inverse. उल्टा रिलेशन है इसमें कि जब प्राइस इंक्रीज होता है तो जो कंज्यूमर है रिड्यूस द क्वांटिटीज ऑफ द कमोडिटी, एंड प्राइस रिड्यूस देन द कंज्यूमर इंक्रीज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ द commodity. So it shows the inverse relation between price and quantity demanded. Okay, so this is about individual demand schedule and individual demand curve. Okay, so draw the diagrams, practice as the diagram in your notebook, and read the table. Also try to write the table in your notebook. Okay, so watch the video, also read this concept from your book. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.